welcome to Bruce Superhero!
Hi everyone, welcome back to Bruce Superhero's channel. Look at what we have. We have Rainbow Walking Water. Rainbow Walking Water? Let's find out why they are called Rainbow Walking Water. We will need 7 cups, 3 of the food coloring, water, stick to mix, and pieces of paper towel. Let's start. First, we're going to put water. Now we have water, no water, water, no water, water, no water, water. Let's put color. 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to mix red. Now we're going to do 5 drops of the yellow. Now 5 drops of blue. Now we're going to put the red one in the last cup that has water. Now we're going to fold the paper towel. Now we have all the folded paper towel. I'm going to put the first paper towel in red. It looks like the water is already walking. Now we are going to wait for the colored water to walk to the cup that doesn't have any water to make a secondary color. Wow! Now it's going whoop, 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 whoop. Now we know why they are rainbow walking colors. Because the colors walk on the paper towel to create your secondary color. Wow! The red and the yellow go to orange. The yellow and blue go to green. The red and blue goes to purple. Wow! Rainbow walking water! The longer that you leave the color water, the more color you get. Yay! This is a fun science experiment for kids. I hope you liked the science experiment. Thank you for watching Bruce Superheroes channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!